Hello, this is Sue Mohr, and my website is aromasandart.com. I just thought I would add a short video to today's blog post to help you further understand what I was doing. So when I said that I was painting a rainbow, this is what it looked like. And I have my 6 colors painted down. I just took a stamp and blend and brushed them across. And then this is my medium daisy punch that I use to punch my daisies. And I used 6 of them, and I punched an extra one so that I could explain the bone folder. Now this is my bone folder, and they used to be made of real bone, ivory bone, and this is plastic, but it works just as well. So here is my daisy, and you can see that the parts that connect to the round are quite thin, and so they're pretty delicate, but if you hold the cutout firmly, and then with the bone folder, you just go like this. And you do it all the way around. And it's very easy. And you're not going to tear if you hold it firmly in the center. And you end up with this shape. And see how it sits up and it's springy. And then you just glue the two together. And you get that beautiful rainbow effect. And I use only Stampin' Up! Products, and I have a store online. If you would like to purchase, you just click on my shop button or any of the pictures in my product list, and I would be very happy to have you order and become a demonstrator with me. So thank you very much.